Today, we're diving into the secrets airlines don't want you to know. Buckle up, because this is going to be an eye-opening ride. We've all been there, crammed into a seat like a sardine in a can, wondering why the in-flight meal tastes like it's been through a paper shredder, and silently praying we don't get hit with another hidden fee. Well, today, we're taking off the blindfold and exposing the airline industry's dirty little secrets. From overbooking tactics to the truth about those frequent flyer programs, we're going to leave no boarding pass unturned. So sit back, relax, and try not to spill your overpriced mini bottle of water as we navigate the turbulent skies of airline secrets. Let's be honest, the words overbooked flight are enough to send shivers down any traveler's spine. You know the drill. You rock up to the gate, boarding pass in hand, only to be met with the dreaded news that your seat, the one you meticulously selected weeks ago, has vanished into thin air. It's like playing a game of musical chairs, except the music is the sound of your hopes and dreams being crushed. And there's a non-zero chance you'll end up stranded at the airport for the night. But here's the kicker. Airlines do this deliberately. They oversell tickets, banking on the fact that not everyone will show up. It's a calculated gamble, and guess who ends up holding the short end of the boarding pass? But don't despair just yet. If you find yourself bumped from a flight, don't just accept it with a weary sigh. You have rights. Airlines are obligated to compensate you, often in the form of vouchers or even cold, hard cash. So know your rights, stand your ground, and maybe you'll even score a free upgrade out of the whole ordeal. Alright, let's talk about those pesky hidden fees, shall we? Because nothing screams vacation vibes like being slapped with a surprise baggage fee at the check-in counter. It's like finding a cockroach in your in-flight pretzels. Unpleasant and completely ruins the experience. These fees are everywhere. Want to choose your seat? That'll be $20, please. Need to check a bag? Well, that depends on the weight, the destination, and the current alignment of the planets. Seriously, the complexity of these fees could rival the US tax code. But fear not, intrepid travelers. We're going to equip you with the knowledge to outsmart these fee-hungry airlines. From packing light to utilizing travel rewards programs, we'll reveal the secrets to keeping your hard-earned cash firmly in your pocket. Airline food. The culinary equivalent of a lukewarm bath. It's not exactly terrible, but it's certainly not something you'd write home about. We've all been there, staring down at that mysterious mush on our tray table, wondering if it's chicken or fish or perhaps some new form of edible plastic. But here's the thing, it's not entirely the airline's fault, well, maybe a little. You see, high altitude plays havoc with our taste buds. The dry air and low pressure numb our senses, making everything taste bland and, well, airplaney. Add to that the challenges of reheating food at 30,000 feet and you've got yourself a recipe for culinary mediocrity. But don't worry, all hope is not lost. We'll share some insider tips on how to navigate the treacherous terrain of airline food, from packing your own snacks to strategically choosing your meals, because nobody deserves to endure another rubbery chicken breast. Let's face it, there's nothing quite like the thrill of sitting on the tarmac for 3 hours, listening to the soothing sounds of a crying baby, and the pilot's increasingly unconvincing updates about a minor technical issue. Flight delays and cancellations are an unavoidable part of the air travel experience, like screaming children and the lingering smell of stale coffee. But what they don't tell you is that many delays are entirely preventable. From airlines cramming in too many flights to cutting corners on maintenance, the real reasons behind these delays are often shrouded in secrecy. But we're here to pull back the curtain and expose the truth. We'll delve into the murky world of airline scheduling practices, maintenance protocols, and the ever-elusive air traffic control excuse, so you can be armed with the knowledge to navigate these situations like a seasoned traveler. Frequent flyer programs. They sound great in theory, don't they? Rack up those miles and jet set around the world for free. But the reality, my friends, is often far less glamorous. These programs are riddled with blackout dates, hidden fees, and enough fine print to make your head spin. It's enough to make you want to chuck your loyalty card out the emergency exit. But before you throw in the towel, let's unravel the mysteries of these programs together. We'll expose the tricks airlines use to make those miles feel as elusive as a unicorn riding a first-class ticket, and arm you with the knowledge to maximize your points and actually redeem those elusive free flights. Because, let's be honest, who doesn't love a free trip? Thanks for watching. If you found these secrets helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insider tips. Safe travels. And remember folks, knowledge is power. The more you know about the airline industry's inner workings, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the skies and arrive at your destination with your sanity and your wallet intact.